Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jan Mano, and I'm your instructor for this course. I'm going to guide you through this Revit Structural course. And with this course, we are going to learn a whole lot of stuff. And I did this course purposely to save your time with the experience that I have at the office, with the experience that I've learned from the site. I try to gather all the information in this Revit Structural course. It's going to save you a lot of time within 5 years, 10 years of time with this just a single course that you purchase. It's going to save a whole lot. And at the end of the day of this course, this is what we are going to learn. So let's move right away into the screen, then you see what we are going to learn. So we have the cover page of the drawing here. Aside that, we have the foundation layout, we have the call out layout, we have the column base details, we have the column details. So this information have been done and is gather a lot of experience, but I'll share this one to save you time with this purchase of a course. So the column details here, we have the column details. Aside that, we have the general arrangement floor plans, which is going to help you understand the basics of column placement, how to tag, how to create schedules, a whole lot of stuff is going throughout this course. Aside that, we have some typical section in here that you are going to learn how to take a section. And the best part of this course is you learn how to create 3D which comes with colors. You learn 3D which comes with colors. And we are also going to learn detailing. When we come with slab detailing, you are going to learn slab detailing. You are going to learn beam detailing in Revit. And the best part of it is that Revit is going to generate all the schedule for you, and I've provided detailed information how to generate your schedule. And we are also going to create staircase details that you are going to understand the basics on how to create a staircase. And I've infused a lot of information, attached books also for you to get clear information how everything is going to be done. So thank you very much for being part of the family, and thank you for purchasing the course. Thank you and see you at the practical stage of the course. Bye for now.